Hey YouTube, this is Kirkus007. I'm going to be doing another box break of this NFL graded card that I got from Target. And also I picked up a couple of new packs. In 1 in every 8 packs you get a game used memorabilia card. Plus, they guaranteed to have 3 vintage cards from the 1950s, 60s, and 70s. Either one of those. So anyway, you get 100 cards, and 3 of them are vintage, and might have a memorabilia card in them. And I got 3 of those, and I might do those on a different video depending on how long this video is. Anyway, gonna do this first, and if it's blurry, I'll show you what the cards look like on the other camera. We have a Fleer Fat Pack. Okay. And I guess that's from, 2007. AP's year. And we have a 9.5 Dez Bryant again. Sweet. 9.5 Dez Bryant. Anyway, I guess I should do this. This is actually a good year. If I can open it. Okay. I'll just go over the rookies. LaRon Laundry. I think that's how you say his name. And, I guess these are, okay, yeah, he's not a rookie, okay. So we go over the rookies. Or memorabilia cards if there are any. Or, inserts. Okay. Oh, this is a rookie. Never mind. Gaines Adams. Sorry. Next pack. Fresh Faces, Greg Olsen. Not a rookie. Okay. Wait. Oh, okay. Booking. Okay. So that was the only, I guess those were the only rookies and inserts. Next, I can't wait to open this. I always wanted to open a pack that had vintage cards in it, and this is my chance. Even though chances are they are, what do they call them, commons. Anyway. Oh, here we are. A 50s, nice. Red Wilson. Was hoping for a 50s. 1958 looks like. Red Wilson. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, okay, here they are. Frank Tana from 1977. And the nerve of them. 1979 checklist. Okay, so Jeff Bagwell. Let's see who we have in here. Will Clark. Dennis Eckersley, Hall of Fame. Palmer, Dean Palmer. George Brett, Hall of Famer. Barry Larkin, future Hall of Famer. The Rat. Larry Walker. Kirby Puckett, Hall of Famer. Dead Hall of Famer. Chuck Knobloch. Ben McDonald pulled an autographed baseball of his. Fernandez. Okay. Jace. Okay, yeah. We have nobody. Don Mattingly. Kevin Mitchell got a couple of his autographs. Ricky Henderson. And Fred McGriff. All the players that I've heard of, I'll put that on a different camera. Anyway. Okay. The Rat. Jack Clark. Steve Sachs. Roberto Alomar, future Hall of Famer. Charlie O'Brien. Billy Ripken. Mookie Wilson. No. Barry Bonds. 89. And, oops, Ozzie Smith and Mark McGwire. I don't care what they say, he should be in the Hall of Fame. Okay, so that was number 1 pack. I'm probably going to do this on another video, yeah, because it takes a long time for it to load. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to me, and I will subscribe to you as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.